Hey guys, who here wants to grow their channel? I think everybody does. And I was just like you, want to grow my channel and try to get as many subs as you can, try to grow my channel with good quality content. And I'm telling you, you need some special tools. And one of those special tools that I have used is called TubeBuddy. Now, if you're not familiar with it, please look into it. It's a free download. You can download the actual plugin on your desktop and you can actually use it. It really helps control all the information and all the data and all the stuff that you need to grow your business. So here's an example over here. You can see the SEO. I try to get all my search engine optimization words to almost 100%, and TubeBuddy helps you do that. Now, if you look to the right over here, there's a little TubeBuddy sign up here, and this is a simple way to get the TubeBuddy to look at it once you log into your video, and you can use all the tools here. So the two main things that I use all the time is SEO Studio, that helps get me the correct keywords and make sure I'm up there correctly. Okay, that's the number one thing that I always use. And the other thing I always do is always use really, as best as I can do, is have really good thumbnails. Now, I'm not saying I'm an expert at thumbnails, but I try to make my thumbnails as interesting as possible. It takes some time to learn. Use Photoshop elements, nothing crazy, nothing over expensive. $70, you buy Photoshop elements, you get the right size, and you can really work and make really nice thumbnails. And you can see here, these thumbnails here are just nothing fancy, but they come up, they give you the message, and at the same time tell you, okay, what is interesting about this specific video. And if you're trying to grow your channel, you have to have some interesting content, not too long, and with compelling information people want to learn. So if they're looking for certain things, so keywords are important. So you have to have the keywords, and that's what TubeBuddy comes in. Use the SEO, which is a really good tool. If you want to look up something for specific, say, let's say, change car battery. Okay, let's take a look at that SEO. So that's pretty good. Look at that. Right away, it's telling you got a 62% chance. It's giving you some suggestions here to fill in. Include your target keywords naturally in the title, include partial matches in the target keyword in the description. So what the tool does is gives you an idea, okay, you're on the right path, you're on the right track, just fill it in a little bit, and you keep working with this, and honestly, after a while, you don't even use this tool, you think in your head how things should be. So it's a very short time, within a few months, you will be doing your own basically keywords in your head. And I've done it over and over and over since I've been really just using it a lot. It really helps train you to think the right way. And once you do it a few times, you just know, you just hit those keywords in, boom, 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 and it works perfectly. And that's another good way of doing it. And once you put those keywords in, what happens? Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you watching this video about TubeBuddy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help my channel out. As always, back to the video. Hope you're learning something. Don't forget to subscribe. It generates in the bottom of the actual text that's in your video itself, and I'll show you here. And I'll give you an example. So I'll go to here, and I will show you right down here, at this point here. So once you put the right keywords on top, it starts pulling in all the proper keywords down here that you can actually put in. And it gives you a lot of suggestions. Okay, it just gives you a suggestion box down here. Again, this is all recommended by TubeBuddy. This is all with the free plugins, the free plugin. So it gives you all examples. So really, a lot of YouTubers out there, if you're a content creator and you're not using this tool, you're really just, you're killing yourself. I watch a lot of videos out there, and they are just, their SEO is nothing, their thumbnails are terrible, and they want to know why they only have 3 subscribers and they can't grow their channel. Well, this is really one reason why. You have to have, it's like a story. You got to put it together, and eventually, at the end of the day, it'll come out just right. So you have to just put in the right keywords, you have to use the right tools, you have to know where to put these, the SEO, and as far as this Google's concerned, you want to really use everything. So you got someone's looking up change a car battery, you got an awesome picture of a battery, an awesome thumbnail, you make good content between 8 and 10 minutes long, and you basically put it out there, and believe me, before you know it, you'll get a lot of subscribers. I think a lot of guys have a shortcut. They think they can just get to the end point very quickly, and you cannot. It is a job. So take your time, put things together, use TubeBuddy. I'll leave a link down below where you can use TubeBuddy. I think it's an awesome tool. I don't think you can go wrong. I think you will like it. It will work. It does exactly what it says it does. Also, another awesome tool I want to talk to you about real quickly here is also, let's go over this, is the Keyword Explorer. Let's take a look at that together. So Keyword Explorer What this is designed to do is help you look up specific things that are trending. So you can see here, these are what's trending right now. Again, this is all a free plugin from TubeBuddy, and you can see what's really going on real time at this moment. But you can look up specific keywords that you try to find some interesting content to and find out what the score is. Basically tells you how it's doing in the ranking. So let's say, for instance, it's the holiday time and people looking for Christmas presents or holiday presents or whatever. So let's say gifts. Let's just do holiday. Let's do gifts. Let's say. Let's try gifts. Christmas gifts for boyfriend. So we've given you here what people are searching. You can see that, right? Christmas gifts for boyfriend, Christmas gifts for mom. So he gives you some examples here for him, for men, for all kinds of different ideas, right? So Christmas gift ideas. That's, to me, I think would be a really good one at this point. So you can see it's fair, which isn't bad. Okay, excellent search volume, competition, not too much, and optimization strength. Excellent. So this would be a really good content to make, right? You can tweak this a little bit better, get a better score, and really you can really do. So this is a great video to make. So if you see this, make a video on Christmas gift ideas, and you can just pretty much, make a video on that specific content. And the only thing bad about it, it's really only popular during the holiday time because no one's looking for that idea during the summertime. But if you leave it on your channel every fall through the winter, you will get a bump in that specific video. So that's the kind of thought process on that. But this here, I just want to show you this, another excellent tool by TubeBuddy. Like I said, this is an awesome tool. So like I said, awesome tools, grow your channel. Don't be afraid. Don't rush it. Take your time. You will grow your channel. You really want a good, strong foundation with a lot of watch hours and a lot of videos. So when you become monetized, and you don't make the videos to become monetized, monetization comes basically as a gift to you for doing a great job. Okay, that's what it is. So don't take advantage of it. Don't abuse it, because you can lose it just as fast as you receive it. So keep doing your content, keep making your videos, and just keep following the progress, and just keep doing what you're doing. Do what you love what you do. A paid version, that's not that expensive. The free one works great. Then they have another one that's even more advanced that I'm not even going there. I don't need it. You just really, the free one gets you going. The paid one really helps you really just focus on what you want to do exactly. And honestly, there's a ton of tools here that are free. So use these tools. Grow your channel. Don't take the shortcut way. Everyone's like, you don't put any keywords in, you don't put any effort in, you can't get anything back. So put the effort in, put the time in. Any questions or any comments, leave down below. If you have any want some help with anything, let me know. I will be glad to help you. Just leave any comments down below, and I'll be glad to research it. I'll be glad to help you and point you in the right direction if I don't know. Okay guys, so I just want to make this quick video about TubeBuddy. I'll leave a link down below where you can use that, and hope you grow your channel and just keep making content and do what you love and love what you do. Okay guys, until the next one, and I'll see you at the next review.